My parents escaped on the Shalon, which is a convoy, from, well, let me go back a little bit. I was born in Ural, in a town, I still have my birth certificate, Miask, Stancia Miask. My parents had escaped Warsaw, Ghetto, just by days. My father's story is quite harrowing. My mother escaped a little before then. There's a lot of family history in that escape. My father was assigned to the Workers' Army, which was rough. It was Siberia. It's the edge of Siberia, right on the border of Asia and Europe. And there was starvation, not starvation, but high deprivation, on the edge of starvation. The Jews were mixed with every single ethnic Russian group. They'd been sent there to work in the woods there as lumberjacks. My father was a tailor all his life and was 130 pounds sopping wet. At his peak, was a lumberjack. Anyway, after the war, they went back to Poland, to Warsaw, and it was hideous. It became obvious. They knew it was bad, but no one that had escaped pictured how bad. Nobody was left. The cities, the Jewish neighborhoods were gone. There was nothing to live for. There's nothing to come back to. So they decided, okay, we'll go to America. Of course, my parents were fighters, obviously. They didn't cave. They ran. They understood well enough to get away in time, just at the hairy edge, but in time from Warsaw. My dad was the only survivor of his family, totally only.